here's our room. So on the right side, you will see the bathroom. Hi. The bathtub and the shower. And then 2 sinks. And that's me recording. And this is the bathroom. Your toilet. There's a big mirror. And then here you go. Here's the bedroom. And there you go. And then it was nice. It's like a suite. And then we'll open this. So yeah, that one's really nice. And then here's your view. So it was really nice. Look at the lights. It's more modern than the Venetian Hotel. Hey baby. And then yeah. And then ta-da! There's the Venetian Hotel. And then sorry, their glass is dirty and you can really see it. So that's the view for the day, for the week. And then yeah, there's the couch, and then that's a pullover. And then here's the masters. There you go. Welcome to our crib for the next 2 days.